Hello friends, in this particular episode, we will see what are the other features which are there in the Constitution of Guatemala. Arrested person has to be produced within 6 hours before the court from the time of arrest. There is a concept of legal detention center. A new enacted criminal law can be made applicable retrospectively only if the same is in the benefit of the accused. Death penalty may not be imposed on women and people above 60 years. Fines imposed should not exceed the value of unpaid tax. Social interest will prevail over individual interest. Person has a right to freely decide the number of children he would have. Marriage can be authorized by mayors, council members, notaries and religious ministers. Government is duty bound to protect disabled persons. Government would take necessary measures to protect the family disintegration. Government would protect all cultural heritage. Separate institutions would be formed for the preserving and protecting culture. Cultural centers would be exempted from payment of taxes. National Central School of Agriculture is responsible for the agricultural education. Universities are exempted from the payment of taxes. Specific promotion is done of sports activities. Nearly 11 articles in the Constitution are on labor laws. Assets of the country are mentioned in the Constitution. Supreme Court has a right to propose laws. General Registry of Property is responsible for maintaining records related to property. Procurator of Human Rights is responsible to see that there is no violation of human rights. 5,000 and more voters can file petition to Congress of Republic for the amendment of Constitution. Certain articles of the Constitution cannot be amended. So friend, these were certain other features which are there in the Constitution of Guatemala. Thank you.